से आगे ट्रेंड तो अपना चलेगा। अपनी फेमस हो जीत की कहानियां जाने सारा जहां। लाइन शुरू जहां खड़े को करेगा
Shoulders!
अपनी फेमस।
Hi Amit, wish you a very very happy birthday. Welcome to the Roaring 40s. I have known you now for approximately 5 years now, and what I remember of you is that you are a very passionate person, highly energetic, and always willing to learn. Keep being yourself, my friend, and wish you the best of health and the best of happiness to come in this decade. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Amit. Wishing you another rocking year ahead with all success and happiness. If I talk about Amit, Amit is somebody who is very much dependable, who speaks from his heart, and always spreads happiness around him with his smiling face. Keep smiling, Amit. One thing I should tell you, Amit, today. Every day morning I look forward for your WhatsApp message and I found them very motivational. Actually those messages makes my day every day. So keep sending those messages. And once again, Amit, happy birthday.
Hey Amit, I know you are turning 40 and I have few lines for you. And here I go. So age is a number. You focus on plumber. The Edwards will encumber and you will outnumber. So wish you a very very happy birthday and God bless you. Keep rocking.
Hey Amit, wish you many more happy returns of the day. 40, big milestone. I hope the party is great at home because I think Mansi has gone out to make sure that all ends are met and this is going to be the most memorable 40 birthday ever. I wish I was there, holding a drink in my hand and giving you a small toast. But another day we'll definitely do that. Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Amit. And I really cherish the friendship that we have. I look forward to creating a lot more memories in the time that we're going to be working together. And otherwise, on the personal front, I will look forward to a lot of bakchodi that you and I will do. Right? So take care. Bye.
हाय अमित, आपके जन्मदिन पर बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और आशा करता हूं कि अगला वर्ष और अगला दशक आपके लिए सफलता और खुशी के लिए नया आयाम स्थापित करेगा। मेरी और मेरे परिवार की ओर से एक बार फिर से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Happy birthday, Amit.
Hey Amit, it's your birthday man. Congratulations, best wishes, बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ आपको आपकी बर्थडे के लिए। उम्मीद करते हैं आने वाला साल आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा हो। ये दिन बहुत स्पेशल हो आपका बर्थडे वाला दिन, एंड आई एम श्योर दिस बर्थडे इज डेफिनेटली गोना बी एन एक्साइटिंग वन, एंड यू नो अ वन दैट इज फुल ऑफ सरप्राइजेस, क्योंकि आपकी वाइफ ने इतना सारा अरेंज किया है, टेक्स्ट, वीडियोस एंड व्हाट नॉट. हैट्स ऑफ टू यू आल्सो भाभी जी फॉर अरेंजिंग and making this birthday more special for Amit. And yeah, Amit, meanwhile, in arranging all of these things, she has disclosed one thing, that's gonna be a 40th birthday. हाँ, तो ये तो obvious हो गया कि अब आप बुढ़े हो रहे हो, right? And you'll have a difficult time in matching up to younger guys like us. But definitely, you know, we are quite accommodative. हमेशा आपको अपने ग्रुप में रखेंगे हम लोग, चाहे वो साकिनाका का टाइम स्क्वायर हो या लोनावला ट्रिप हो, तो यू विल ऑलवेज बी एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ आवर ग्रुप. So again, lot of wishes, best wishes for your birthday. Let office reopen completely. Again, we will meet. We'll have a fun time together as we always used to have. Yep. Sure. Bye bye. Take care. All the best. Bye.
Hi Amit. So welcome to the 40s club. Many happy returns of the day. और हमको पार्टी कब मिलेगा? लेकिन अब ये कोविड के मामला है तो ठीक है, बट हमको पार्टी चाहिए बाद में. चलो एंजॉय and enjoy with all family members and close ones. Thank you. Bye.
Hey Amit, happy birthday. Hope you must be having best of your birthday. थोड़ा फन कम होगा, घर के अंदर होगे शायद, but anyways, yep. So I've been asked to say a few words about you. Among friends it's very difficult, I know. ज़्यादातर हम एक दूसरे को गालियाँ ही देते हैं, बीट प्रोफेशनली और पर्सनली. बट बिफोर आई स्टार्ट फॉर यू, लेट मी टेल अबाउट योर वाइफ. भाई इसका फॉलोअप भी इट्स एज गुड एज यू हैव. यू नो, वेडनेसडे का डेडलाइन मिला था मुझे कि मुझे वीडियो बना के देना है. टुडे इज़ वेडनेसडे इवनिंग एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न. बाहर था मैं, गाड़ी में बना के मुझे देना पड़ रहा. आई कुड नॉट इवन रीच होम. ओके, सो दैट्स देयर एंड गुड जॉब मानसी. Okay, so Mr. Amit Jha, about you. I think I have known you as one of good friend till now. We have spent some really good moments together in office, outside office, and I think you're a good person as well. मान ले भाई, है अच्छा आदमी है तू, मान ले. Okay, so I think I know you as one of the most coolest guy possibly in office. I also know you as style icon बोल सकते हैं कि ऑफिस का. रैंक 2, रैंक 1 कौन? अपन. Okay, but yes, you are a good person, you are a good friend, and I think we have been together for like more than 7 to 8 years now. ब्रांच ऑफिस से शुरू किया था, हेड ऑफिस में आए. We have our moments, we have our quality moments, we keep on discussing business, we keep on discussing apart from business things as well. And thing which I like most, I think that is the reason because my frequency matches with you. You are equally philosophical as I think as I am. So we always look to lenses from, I think, which is different from other people as well, and that I think bonds us together. And really lucky to have a friend like you in our life. Keep shining, keep enjoying as you are. You are a fun person to be, and I think we'll have many more moments together. Yep, soon. All the best, buddy. Cheers. Yep, take care. Bye bye.
I hope you have a great birthday. And while I was writing the note, it reminded me that we had really good times with each other, and always when we used to go for drink parties, and whenever during these occasions I was well aware that you're going to drop me all the time. And on the journey it was always a heart to heart conversation. Trust me, this journey with Pidlite was amazing because of you guys, and you were always a great mentor, very supportive. I think we had amazing time together. no matter the conferences, events, or any festivities in Pidilite, we have enjoyed it thoroughly. And I so miss working with you guys. I will surely come and meet you soon. Stay in touch, be connected. Also, one thing I still remember on my joining, the date of joining of Godrej, you were the first person to congratulate me and wish me on my first day, you know. So yes, I appreciate you very much, and I always look towards you. So thank you for always being kind with me. Bye, take care, have a great birthday ahead. Hi Amit, happy 40th birthday. It's pandemic. Happy pandemic birthday. I hope you have a great birthday. And while I was writing the note, it reminded me that we had really good times with each other, and always when we used to go for drink parties, and whenever, you know, during these occasions, I was well aware that, you know, you're going to drop me all the time. And on the journey, it was always a heart-to-heart conversation. Trust me, this journey with Pidilite was amazing because of you guys, and you were always a great mentor, very supportive. I think we had amazing time together. No matter the conferences, events, or any festivities in Pidilite, we have enjoyed it thoroughly. And I so miss working with you guys. I will surely come and meet you soon. Stay in touch, be connected. Also, one thing I still remember on my joining, the date of joining of Godrej, you were the first person to congratulate me and wish me on my first day, you know. So yes, I appreciate you very much.